Welcome to Ostathi Jordan platform. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to become an instructor on Ostathi Jordan. Once you open the website, locate the Become an Instructor option. Click on it, you'll be directed to the sign up page. Choose the type of instructor you want to become. Tutor for teaching school subjects in national and international curriculums. Trainer for professional and career skills. Next, sign up using a valid email address and create a secure password. Save your password somewhere safe. Then, verify your email through the confirmation link. Go to your inbox, open the message from Ostathi, and click on Verify Account to activate your profile. You will then see a page to complete your profile. Start by entering your personal information, your first name, last name, select your country code, and enter your mobile number. Finally, upload a copy of a valid ID, click Save and Next. Next, upload a profile picture, preferably a professional one, and you can adjust it as needed. Then, write an introduction about yourself. Make sure to highlight your qualifications, your teaching experience, what sets you apart from other instructors, and your teaching approach. Click Save, then Next. This is the part where you select what you teach or train. Depending on whether you are a tutor or a trainer, select the subjects or skills you teach or train. You can choose more than one subject, and you are not limited to a single curriculum. For example, you can teach both national and international programs, or provide training in multiple professional skills. Also, select the languages you speak, along with your level of proficiency. If you need to make changes later, you can remove or edit your selections using the Change Selection button. When finished, click Save, then Next. The next step is your resume. Fill in your education and qualifications, and write a short description for each. Upload certificates or experience letters to support your entries. You can add as many as you want by clicking Add More. You may also edit or remove them anytime. Don't forget to check the box to accept the instructor terms and conditions. Click Submit, and wait for admin approval. After approval, go back to the main page and log in using the email and password you created. Then, go to your dashboard, and open Account Settings to complete all the steps in this section. In order to activate your account for bookings, start by choosing a username, selecting your country, and making sure to set the correct time zone so your availability is accurate. Next, set your lesson buffer time, which determines how soon learners can book with you. You can choose immediately, 12 hours, or 24 hours. For example, if you prefer extra time to prepare before a class, select 12 or 24 hours. Finally, write your bio in English or Arabic. In this section, highlight your teaching style, your qualifications, and what makes you unique as an instructor. Next, move to the pricing section. Set your pricing for each subject or skill you selected earlier. Below every subject, you will see a description showing the minimum and maximum amount you can charge for a lesson. Choose your rates carefully to reflect your experience and teaching quality. Then, select the lesson durations you want to offer, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or both. This is a multi-selection option, so you can choose more than one. Save and continue. In this section you can view your added qualifications and experience. Edit, remove, or add more if needed, then click Next. On the Skills page, choose the detailed skills that best match your teaching or training qualifications. Here you can also provide details such as your years of experience, the age groups you usually teach, what your lessons include, for example curriculum, writing, speaking, or test preparation, as well as your education level. This helps learners better understand your background and expertise. Click Save, then Next. Finally, complete your payment details. Select the payment type, IBAN, alias, or mobile number. Then enter your click details along with your full personal name and location. To receive your payments from Ostathi, please provide one of the following: a click alias linked with your bank app or digital wallet, such as Orange Money or Zain Cash. A click mobile number linked with your bank app or digital wallet. An IBAN from a Jordanian bank only. Make sure the details are accurate and active. Payments will not be processed to invalid or unsupported accounts. After ensuring all entered details are accurate, click Save, then Next. After you finish the payment step and click Next, you will be directed to the Manage Calendar page, where you need to set your availability for students to book lessons. You can view the calendar in either general or weekly view. To choose your availability, click on the start time of a session, and drag to cover the hour of the teaching session. After you finish setting your times, click Save. You've now completed all the steps to become an instructor on Ostathi Jordan. Set up your lessons, share your knowledge, and inspire learners across Jordan and beyond.